looking at the town and skyline of Memphis. And here we're about to get a bridge.
Yep, Tennessee state line right there.
Yep, Tennessee state line, and you see a welcome to Tennessee right over top of the bridge here. You can see it now. Tennessee. Yep. And then looking there's the monorail track going over to Mud Island. And you see a really good view of the town of Memphis right here.
And we just missed our exit. Yeah.
That's okay, because we wanted to come down here and see this pyramid here. What is that pyramid anyway?
I don't know.
Okay.
No, we didn't really come up right anyway. Why not? Because Hampton and the trees is not up here.
There's the town.
Oh, you wanted to go back to the hotel, rest up a little bit? Oh, where you going? Oh, look, there's a Crown Plaza. Crown Plaza.
Yep, there's the Crown Plaza.
Oh, where you going? I wasn't going anywhere in particular. I was just driving.
Yep, and there's a...
We can turn around here, sweetie. I mean, we can find a way to get back.
Yep.
Yeah, see,
See, it's already telling us how to get back, isn't it?